To establish customers in the Assistant Manager is very straightforward. We're able to establish customers a number of different ways. One way is through the Office application. That's where I'm at right now. You'll notice here that we're able to collect name and address information, some demographic information like birth date, anniversary date. We're able to collect any number of contact points for the customer, whether it be websites, mobile numbers, home phone numbers, or even emails. We also have the capability to put additional names or contacts on the account, so if you want to put a spouse in or a child or someone else who's part of the family, you can put that in at this point. On the Profiling tab, we're able to put in a point of sale message, so if this were a VIP customer, we could indicate that, and that would be displayed at various key points throughout the system and can even be alerted when that person comes in the organization. TAM will automatically then track history on the customer, and we're able to participate in a number of loyalty type or reward type programs, one being a buy X get one free program, which is built into TAM, another being both the rewards program, loyalty link, and much more. I've just switched over to the point of sale application. Another option to establish customers can be done in the customer facing area when we're in the point of sale application. That allows us to just touch on customer, press new, and then we can establish a new customer right at the register, same way. Additionally, there's one last way to establish customers, and we'll go take a look at that. There is one final way, as I mentioned, that we can create customers, and that's through the dining application. Again, in this customer-facing interface, we're able to select customer, press new, and establish the customers that way as well. One last thing that I want to mention is that if you don't want to type in information about a customer, TAM does have a smart import capability that will allow you to import customers from other sources. So if you'd like to interface with databases that you have for email marketing already in the organization, or maybe mailing lists that you purchase, those can all be imported into the system. Okay, let's say you'd like to customize some of the data that you store on your customers for your store or for your operation or hospitality area, whatever. There may be certain bits of data that you want that are unique to your operation. TAM will allow you to customize the data records using user-defined fields. You can see some of them right here on the left-hand portion of the screen toward the bottom. We've got user 1 through 4 and a text 1 field that allows us to customize that information. So we can name these. They don't have to be user 1, user 2, user 3. They can be named to be driver's license or employee ID or any bit of information that you require on your customers. We also have the capability in the Profile tab to enter in any number of preferences. Now these preferences may be things that TAM doesn't know about your customer, maybe clubs that they belong to, maybe that they're a docent for your organization or a volunteer or they're an educational staff person or whatever. You're able to do that through preferences as well. What this allows you to do then is to classify and categorize your customers in many, many different ways, and then you can utilize TAM's filter control to find and select those customers, perform reporting on them, produce labels or email lists. Any of that information can be used to do that. Now don't forget that you don't have to put in things that are purchase related, because TAM knows the areas of interest and the products and services that they're buying. We'll talk a little bit more about that in our Smart CRM coming up. Once a customer's record has been established in TAM, it's available to all the areas of the operation, whether it be e-commerce, whether it be brick and mortar, and the various departments within your organization. It's very easy to attach customers to a sale and view some of their activity or maintain data in the point of sale application. We can do that easily by just touching on the customer button at any point in the sale. We can then either find the customer using the find if there's no card available, but don't forget we're also able to scan membership cards, reward cards, identify customers that way as well. Once we find the customer, we're able to select them and add them to the point of sale. This is going to record any activity that occurs, but also allow us to edit the data. So should we need to add a mobile number or change an address or something like that, we're able to do that. And we can also view historical data about the customer at this point too, and we'll cover this a little bit more in a later session. So it's very easy in the point of sale application to attach customers and then view or maintain their data. And don't forget, now that I've switched over to the dining application, we can also do those same functions within the dining application as well. A customer can be found and then attach them to the activity there as well. And the same editing capabilities occur in that application. So very consistent from one business unit or operation to the other, whether you're in the merchandise shop or whether you're in a cafe or a food service area, hospitality area, it's going to be the same.